Folks, welcome back. So this is the fourth edition of the videos that I have on this portfolio, the dividend portfolio. And so I've been kind of busy in the February month. So far I have added about $810 roughly for this month. And these were the results for the last month. And these are the holdings that I have here so far in the numbers and in the chart here presented as well. And so far looks like the dividends or the money invested is yielding me about $9.34 roughly in dividends earnings. And the goal is obviously $100 here, and it looks like I will need about $11,881 to achieve that result based on performance we're receiving today. And as you can see, for the February month, I did receive 7 cents from Realty Income Corporation. So far, that's all I have. I'm hoping I should get some more for February from other companies, but we will see. As I said, I mean, I've invested more money in February than I have in January, so there should be some more dividends. And looking at the portfolio right now through the M1, let's just go back to see what the result is. So the market is kind of going up and down. I mean, today is the Thursday, February 20th. So looks like I have so far earned $1.38 in dividends. Market is been going up and down. I've been in red and in green for most part today. It's due to this coronavirus scare and whatnot. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but I don't know. You never know. And let me show you the activities here. So these are all the deposits I've been doing. And if we just go to dividends only, you'll see there's this payout of the 7 cents in the dividends. But like I was showing, I did earn $1.38. So I'm not sure if this is going to be paid out in February month or in March, but we'll see. However it is, it is. All right, and I haven't changed much on the investment side. I did get rid of Boeing, as I was saying earlier, because it just wasn't a performer, and the price versus dividend wasn't worth it for me at this point. And I replaced it with a PPL, which is the energy company. So we will see how it goes. But this is the performance so far. So the TerraForm Power is doing the best. Realty Income, HD, Coca-Cola, Waste Management, and Walmart have so far been up. And then the worst performer has been by far the Kraft, Heinz. But that's to be expected. They're in a rebuilding phase. Everybody else in this category, I mean, it goes up and down, but these are all, there's one retail store, some other stuff. So most of these are based on the holiday performance. So hopefully this year will be better, and these will go up in value. But anyhow, so that is an update for portfolio. So let's move to the other stuff. All right, so let's start with some news in this last segment of this video. So looking at some positive news. So Realty Income, the one that we have in our portfolio. I mean, all of these we have in our portfolio, but just want to make sure that you guys know about it. It's trading at 81.60 per share, currently up about 2.4% today, and has been, for the last year has beat the estimates. And that's good. So the share has been going up, and their dividends are safe, actually. So that's good. Looking at STOR Capital, they also beat the estimates, and in revenue by just under $1 million. So that's good as well. And they're trading at 37.52. But looking at this is also good for the dividends. All right, Kraft, Heinz. I mean, if you guys are not aware of this, they are in fact working the company around. They've had a lot of issues with financials and reporting and underreporting, overreporting. It's just a mess. Anyhow, they have a new management that will essentially start turning around this company. And they're saying that 2020 this year is the first one in that first year of that turnaround. Now looking at the price, if it will give me, it's 27.43, and so it's a good value, but we will see how safe their dividends are. It really depends how the new management approaches the turnaround and paying off the debts and whatnot. All right, the Target. Target, I mean, Target has been a solid company, has been around for a long time. I mean, their price is really not that cheap comparison to the other ones. I mean, it's 117.92, but their dividends are, the payout is fairly good. They're a stable company. They're making bucks, if you will, and I'm not really afraid having their stocks in my portfolio. Walmart, I mean, what to say about Walmart? I mean, Walmart is Walmart. If you haven't been to one, well, let's put it this, I would be surprised if you haven't been to one. There are some states and some cities that don't have Walmart, but they're everywhere and they're staples. I mean, most people use them. They're running about 117.69 today, and they're expecting, well, some of these analysts are expecting the price to be about 130 at some point in the future, so which is good for us. Okay, a little coronavirus updates. I mean, it looks like there's, if the companies had issues, and the MMM being one of them in my portfolio, looks like there are some money available from these folks in case they need them, but I'm not too sure they will need them. And looking at some more news, so this is one of the reasons why I got rid of Boeing. And I don't hold any airlines stock either. I mean, this coronavirus can in fact impact the travel and has been impacting travel. So for right now, if you guys are considering owning some real airline stocks or even airline builders, I would just stay away from it until this clears out, because we really know exactly where this is going to go. And here's the latest. So this website, Waldometers, is saying that there's about 2,130 coronavirus deaths in 30 countries and territories. And there's about 75,781 confirmed cases. So there could be more deaths. I mean, but it's usually very young and very old. So far, I think it's been very old folks. This is kind of on a time scale, how many deaths have been recorded. Anyhow, I think they even have the daily deaths. How about that? That's so February 19, 117, 136. Wow. So I don't know. It goes up and down, but we'll see how this goes. Anyhow, that's it for the news section. So we'll talk to you guys later, next week or so. Bye for now.